one controlled output, one summing point. The summing point always can receive the input feedback error signal. Okay. Direct formula is R of S, C of S, 1000 by S square plus 10 S square plus 31 S plus 1030. This equation multiplied those three open parentheses and closed parentheses. Okay, S plus 2, S plus 3, S plus 5. You just multiplied together of inside. You multiply this S into this S, this S. So we got S cube. Then this S multiplied with this 3. So 3S, this S multiplied with this 5, 5S, 5S. Okay, this 3S plus 5S got 8S. Remaining here we have to multiply 2S, 2 into 3, 6, then 2S, 2 into 5, 10. So those multiplication which is come into this state equation. So finally we got S cube plus 10 S square plus 31 S plus 1030 from the above summarize. Okay. Now we make this denominator equation into Routh-Horvitz stability. Okay. In Routh-Horvitz stability, the first step is you must concentrate, you must calculate how much of power they given in that equation. So I found out power 3 is given here. So we have to segregate, or we have to put this power 3 into 4 various stages: S cube, S square, S power 1, S power 0. Okay. In first step, S cube may find out the order of odd numbers. S cube, S power 1 is an odd number. Before of this S power 1 there is no number, so you put 0. S power cube of multiplied with 1, S power 1 multiplied with 31. Next level of S is 0. Then S square is a even number. Okay, S square multiplied with 10. Here we imagine S power 0 is present because S power 0 value is 1. So 1 into 1030, 1030. So there is no changes. So here we imagine S power 0 is present. So you pick that 1030 is a even number. Other or next number of this even number is 0. So you just put 0. So we got three equation, one odd equation, one even equation from this main equation. Remaining S power 0 and S power 1 is there. So these two equations can summarize by using these two equations. Okay. Here 1030 is big value. So this equation can be divided into 10, the value of 10, because the 10 values initially we had been, so every values can be divided into 10. So 10 by 10 is 1, 1030 by 10 is 130, sorry 103, 0 by 10 is 0. You just convert this high value into normal value by dividing the common property or common value of 10. Okay. Now this table is reference table, or this table is stability table to derive this S power 1 into S power 0. It will be derived above 2 rows can adapted for this derivation. This last value you just left it out. S power 1 value of first column is 1 into 31 minus 1 into 103 by this value. So we got minus 72. This value can comes from 1 into 0 minus 1 into 0 by 1. So we got 0. So those two values got it. Then S power 0 values have to solve from these two rows. Okay. The value is minus 72. So minus 72 into 103 minus 1 into 0 by minus 72. So 103 values got here. Then same like minus 72 into 0 minus 1 into 0 by this minus 72 equal to 0. So the four values can we get from those two rows. Okay. Finally, we get the matrix form 1, 31, 1, 103, minus 72, 0, 103, 0. Third columns are zeros.